Hey everybody, this is Diane with Crafting with Fury. I am here with my design team project share for Queenacraft, and I will leave all the links down below. And don't forget, if you use the coupon code Diane, you can save 10% on your next order, and I would truly appreciate it. So let me show you what I created. I had a ball, guys. I truly had a ball because, as you can see, I've got some cats going on, and you know how I love my cats. So let's start here. I did an artist trading card, an ATC, and I used this die set here, and it comes with 4 cat dies, and it's called the Cute Cat Dies, and you get 4 in this set, and I used this one and that one on this ATC, and I loved the way it turned out. And I also used this die set here, which is called the layering letter dies, and I used You Are My Life, and it comes with 5 sets of dies. Let me put that over here. And I love it. I did not use the layering piece underneath it, but all of them come with a layering piece. Look how pretty. I loved the cats. I wanted the cats to be the focus of the ATC, and of course there's a Sadie has been on there. But as you can see, I put diamond dust on there. I love the way this turned out. Love these little cats. You will see them a lot. So this set is the Cute Cat Dies. You get 4 of those. And like I said, I used these layering letter dies, and it was, let's see, You Are My Life, and these cut out separately, and then you get the layering piece, just like the shadow piece on it. So there is this one. Look at this, guys. Oh my goodness. Now this die set is called, speaking of cats, there's Simon. I knew one of them would pop up. And this is called the Cat Profile Die. Cat Profile Die. And you get this cat, and you get the fish, the bow tie, and the little hair bow. And then this little piece here, whoops, where'd it go? You can use for the eyes and the nose. So that was this. So let me show you what I created. I did a memory decks card. I cut the cat out in black, popped her up in black foam, and this is the little eyes here. I used that, but I used a white metallic marker to put the nose, the mouth, and the cute little whiskers. And I had a little sticker that said crazy about my cat. And this is the little fish that I cut out in holographic paper. Look how cute. And I put some bling here to look like they were like underwater. And the cat's like, but isn't that cute? There's so many possibilities with that die. And then here's the little bow I put on her. And you know, it does come with a little bow tie. You could make it a little guy. Put the little bow tie right there. Super cute. I love this. Isn't it adorable? Super cute. So this is the cat profile die. You get 1, 2, 3, 5 dies with this set. So we're going to put this up here. Now, this one is called the Candy Box die set. And this is what the die looks like. And as I was looking at this, I was thinking, what could we do with this? And I had some paper. Why I bought it, I don't know. I don't know if it was when my niece was little. I don't know. But I had some princess paper, like for a very young little girl. And I thought, you know what? This would be such a cute little favor for a little birthday party. So what I did was I made these. See, and here's the little box. Isn't that adorable? And you could put like little party favors in here. You could put little Hershey Kisses in here. How stinking cute is that? A table full of these would just be too adorable. Is that not adorable? Look at them. And then this one, 100% Princess. Isn't that adorable? And I thought what I would do, I did cut an extra one out. And this is what it looks like when you cut it out. And I thought I would show you how I folded it and put it together. So we are going to put these little things right here. And as you can see, well, it's probably hard to see, it's scored already for you, okay? And there's a little score here, like a little flap. So there's a flap here. There's a flap here, okay? And you can fold here. And then you fold here. And then you fold in between. That makes your box. And what I did with mine, these can be folded in or out, but I folded mine this way, in, because I like the way it looked when I squished the ends together. And they're scored for you, like I said. So see, when you make sure that they're all good and creased, and then you just fold the middle there, middle there, middle there, and middle there. All right, so I've got everything good and creased and folded. Now, with this little flap here, we want to glue these together, okay? And the way I found it easiest for me to do is just to fold it in. So let's get some glue here. And let's get some little glue on here. And don't put too much, because if you do, then it's going to kind of ease right into your box, and then you won't be able to, they'll stick together and you won't be able to pop it back open. And so we'll give that just a second to dry. That's why I like quick drying glue, so you don't have to wait. And then all you need to do is squish the ends together. That's all there is to making this little box. How stinking cute is that? All right. So now what we're going to do is, I just got some eyelash trim. You could use ribbon. You could use washi tape if you wanted to. And you're just wanting to tie and squish the edges together, because that makes it looks like a little candy in a little candy box. So cute. And you'll have to forgive me. I struggle with doing this for some reason. I don't know. All right. So we're going to squish this together, because we want it to look like a little candy, because it looks like a little wrapped candy. And this is the only time, guys, that my nails get in my way, because I have to tie a bow and I can't hardly do it. And see, I can't do it. But anyway, you get the picture. So there's that end. And then this is going to be the end that I'm going to put my little tag on. And we're just going to put this right through there. And you could put a little tag on it. You don't even have to put a tag on it. But I just thought that that made them look super cute. See? Super cute. And I think I could probably tie these bows. See, look at that. Pitiful. Pitiful. Can't tie a bow. Pitiful. Now, if I edited my videos, guys, this is I would edit out and just leave it. All right. I'm determined. I'm going to do at least one bow. Ta-da! All right, we got at least one bow there. It's a loose one, but we got a bow. And I want to do this one more time. Let's put this together. Put that together. If I had longer string, All right, I'm trying one more time, guys. This is probably painful to watch. Like, bless her heart, she can't even do a bow. All right, there we go. We got it. So there is the candy box. So these are my project shares for Queenacraft. And I hope you like them. Super fun. And I will leave all the links down below. Thank you guys for hanging with me. I truly appreciate it. Have a blessed day, and I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye.